Right, hello people, to all viewers out there. My name is Fatul, and today we are going to go through on the part of geometry, which is what we call as polygons. All right. So polygons, you're talking about the number of sides. All right, it's any shape with sides, any shape with sides, any shape with angles, with corners. That's what you know as polygon. Okay. So if I'm talking about polygon shapes like circles, ovals, they are not polygons. Why? Because they don't even have sides. No side, not a polygon. You have sides, you are a polygon. Okay? Like for me, I have my side, so it means I am a polygon. Right? No, just kidding. Not a polygon. Okay? So when it comes to polygon, just like I said, regardless of how many sides you have, you are a polygon. Okay? So the smallest number of sides a polygon can have is basically three. Why? Because we are talking about a triangle, and then followed by four sides, which is a quadrilateral, five sides, which is what we call the pentagon, six sides, a hexagon, seven side, heptagon, eight sides, octagon, nine sides, nonagon, 10 side, decagon, and so on and so forth. Okay, so all these regular polygons are when it comes to polygons, you have two things to remember: regular polygons, non-regular polygons. Okay, when they say regular polygons, it means all sides are the same. Right? All sides are the same. Okay, so that's what you know as a regular polygon. Now, when it comes to all sides are the same, it means all the interior angle are the same. So what I'm trying to say is, if this is a triangle, you have 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. If you're talking about a quadrilateral, you're talking about 90 degrees, 90, 90, 90. And all the sides are the same. Means quadrilateral, you're talking about a square or a diamond. A rectangle is not a regular polygon. Why? Because the sides are different sizes, right? And then for five sides pentagon, and you have all these sides are the same, and a hexagon, so on and so forth. Okay? What you need to know for all polygons, okay? Now this applies to polygon and regular polygon. So means all types of polygons, all right? All interior angle plus exterior angle equals to 180 degrees. Okay, just take note. This is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so what do I mean by interior and exterior? Where is my interior? Where is my exterior? Interior, obviously, the word says interior. It means that the angle is inside. So this is what they call as interior. Okay. So when it comes to exterior, every interior, you will draw a straight line that extends the shape out. So now this is what you call the exterior. So if this part is the interior, where's the exterior? Draw the line, extend it out. So this is the exterior. If this is the interior, this one will be the exterior, so on and so forth, right? Okay, so interior plus exterior equals to 180 degrees. Now, let's talk about another important property of a polygon. This applies to regular and also non-regular polygons, means all types, huh? All types. So it means that they are trying to say that all exterior angles equals to 360. So what are the exterior angles again? Exterior here, exterior here, exterior here, exterior here, exterior here, and exterior here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides of the hexagon, the exterior angle will be 360. If you are talking about a decagon, 10 sides means there are 10 exterior sides, right? Every side of the polygon represents the number of interior and also the number of the exterior. So we are talking about 10 sides of a polygon means we have 10 interior angles. We also have 10 exterior angles. So 10 exterior angles, the total still remains the same as 360. So all exterior angles, this is regardless of race, language, or no, sorry, regardless of the sides. Okay, regardless of the number of sides. So the polygon can have three sides, can have 30 million sides. The total exterior will still be equivalent to 360 degrees. So these are the concepts that you all have to know. Okay, now let's talk about the formulas. The formula you need to memorize. If you don't memorize, you are in deep trouble. Okay? So the formulas you need to know is the sum of all interior angle. The sum of all interior angle means I'm talking about this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle. Okay? So the sum of all the angle will be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. What does n stand for? N does not mean whatever you're thinking, you filthy pirates. Okay? So n represents the number of sides. Okay? N represents the number of sides. If this is a pentagon, means the number of sides will be 5. So n equals to 5. All right. Uh, so when it comes to size of each interior angle will be n minus 2 times 180 over n. All right. And then the size of each exterior angle will be 360 degrees. Okay. Now, let's talk about these two formulas, the last two formulas. When it comes to the last two formulas, you can either use these or this to find the number of sides. What do I mean? Let's look at an example. Let's see this one. Okay. Find the sum of angles for a regular polygon with its side. So here we are talking about an octagon, right? Octagon, we are talking about the sum of angles. The sum of angles. So the sum of angles means the total angle. Means you are talking about the formula of n minus 2 times 180. So the n represents how many sides? 8 sides, right? So it becomes 8 minus 2 times 180. You will get 6 times 180. You will get 1080 degrees. That is the total angle. Means this angle plus this angle plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. Total angle will be 1080 degrees. But that is the interior angle. If you are talking about exterior angle, how many degrees will that be? 360 degrees. All right. So remember, total exterior angle will be 360 degrees, right? So now if they're asking you to find the angle on each side, the exterior, sorry, the angle on each side, how to find the angle of one side. So basically, you're talking about the side of the octagon, right? So you can always take 360 divided by 8. Why? Because total sides represent 360, right? So to find one side, 360 divided by 8, you will get 45 degrees. Is it 45 degrees? Yeah, 45 degrees, yes. Okay. So this is the size of one exterior. So this is one exterior angle. So to find one interior angle, you just take 180 minus 45. You get 135 degrees. This is one way of finding the answer. Another way is remember the angle of one side. You just have to use the formula of n minus 2 times 180 over n. So the value of n is 8. So 8 minus 2 times 180 over 8. Then you get 135 degrees. Same thing as well. So you can use either or of these formulas. Okay. Another example. Let's talk about the size of each exterior angle. Like I said once again, each exterior angle with 10 sides. Now remember, total exterior is always going to be 360. So total exterior angle equals to 360 degrees, right? So to find one side, you just take 360 divided by 10. You get 36 degrees. So this is each exterior angle. All right. So that's how you find the value of one exterior angle. If they ask you to find the value of one interior angle, you can always take 180 minus this exterior angle. So it's very straightforward, right? Because the concept of interior angle plus exterior angle equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Just take note. Okay. Now, the last question here, this last example here, right, is very important. There is a high chance that it will come up for your test or your exam or your WA or whatever, right? So just take note of this question. So the interior angle on a six-sided polygon is given by all these angles here: 2x, 5x, x, 3x, 6x, and 3x. Wow. Okay, fine. Find the value of x. So here we are talking about the interior angles on a six-sided polygon. They give you all the angles, right? When they give you all the angles, what must you do? Always find the sum, the total, right? So the total angle will be, what's the formula again? You have n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So this n minus 2 times 180 degrees is the sum of all the angles. So which is the sum of 2x plus 5x plus x plus 3x plus 6x plus 3x. So all these angles all combined together, right? Okay, so now what is the value of n? It's a six-sided polygon, right? So it becomes 6. So 6 minus 2 times 180. This will give you 2 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 17, 20. So you get 20x. So you calculate the left hand side, you get 720 equals to 20x. So which means x equals to 36 degrees. Means 720, you just divide it by 2. That's all. Okay. So that's how you do your angles in a polygon. These are a very important examples of questions. All right. Another example of questions will be, so second example, another example, a more challenging one, right? If you find this not challenging at all, it means that you guys are very prepared. But if you find this challenging, okay, time for you to practice more, okay? So if they give you this kind of angles, all right, okay, all these figures on the inside, I've already helped you find already, okay? Don't worry, I help you settle everything. Okay, now, but for this figure here, ask yourself: is this a regular polygon? It's not. Why? Because the sides are of different sizes. They won't tell you. They won't tell you. Sorry. They will tell. The question will tell you whether this is a regular polygon or not. Okay. But if you don't see a regular polygon in the sentence, it means it is not a regular polygon. Okay. They will only inform you in the question itself. So for this kind of question, how to find the value of x? Okay, so as you can see, this part is given. I can find 180 minus the external. I'll get the internal. What internal? External. Exterior. 180 minus the exterior, I'll get the interior. 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 So on and so forth, right? So now, then how did I manage to find this value then? Okay, this value is already given. All right. But how do I manage to find this value then? Remember, how many sides does this polygon have? It's a six-sided. Is it a six-sided? Six-sided polygon, right? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So when it comes to a polygon, always ask yourself, what's the total angle? So the total angle will be 6 minus 2 times 180. You get 720. Then you take 720 minus all these numbers to get what? To get this value over here, right? Then, since you have already found 132 already, to find angle x, x is the exterior, right? So you just take 180 minus the interior of 132, you will get the value of x, which is 48. That is one step. The step of finding from the inside. Now remember, from the outside now. All right? From the outside now. The original question is here. Now, all these are given, correct? So, all these are given. If you look at it, all these angles are the exterior. So, remember the total exterior must always be 360, right? So, if this interior is given, you just need to find this unknown exterior. That's all. Then you just take 360 minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this, minus all the exterior. Then you get 48. So which one is shorter? Of course, the exterior concept is shorter, right? So you have two ways in case you want to check your answers because you're kiasu Singaporeans, right? Want to check out the answers, right? To check whether your answers are absolutely correct, you can use both steps and then you can see whether your answers are both the same. If they are the same, yay, hee hee, ha ha, hee hee. But if not, boo, then go and check your answers. Okay? So that's it. That's the whole concept of polygon. The whole thing already. All you gotta do is just watch the video, then do more practice. Okay? If you need any help, you can always ask me. You can always ask your teachers. All right? If that's the case, thank you very much. Have a great day and stay safe. Don't create trouble and bye bye.